First, turn off the water supply and flush the toilet. Then, remove the hose connection inside the toilet. Turn the device about a quarter turn to the left to remove it. There's a chain. You don't really need to remove the chain. And then there's the seal. Remove the seal. It may be red, it may be yellow. Completely remove it. And once it's removed, get your newly purchased from Lowe's or other plumbing supply store, attach it, slipping it in the groove. Make sure you line up that with this, put it back in, turn it clockwise, a quarter turn, connect your hose back, and you are done.